Hello and welcome to the second video of the playlist on the Flipper Zero. Today we're going to be talking about the Sub-GHz app on the Flipper Zero, which basically it can copy and retransmit sub-gigahertz signals from different devices around your home. So today we're going to be going over the things you can do with the Sub-GHz app and things you can't do as well. So my name is Arn.
And my name is Prayag, and let's get right into it.
So chances are you guys have this little smart plug looking thing laying around in your house. And basically what it does is it uses this type of remote to transmit like an on and off signal. So you don't have to get up and press the actual on and off button on some device. So what this device basically uses is an RF signal or radio frequency signal. And that's a sub gigahertz signal is a type of RF signal. So what you can do with your Flipper Zero is you can copy the signal from the remote and you can basically use your Flipper Zero to turn anything on. That uses the smart plug on and off. So we're going to try doing that in this video.
Since it's almost Christmas, let's try using the Flipper Zero on our Christmas tree. Alright, so I'm just gonna unplug this Christmas tree cord right here, put in the smart plug outlet, and plug that right back in.
So let's get started. I have the RF remote and I have my Flipper Zero with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to the sub gigahertz button, then click read, and then it should show up as scanning. I'll click the on button, and then it should pop up like that. So now, if I turn it off again so you guys can see, now if you can pan to the Christmas tree. Now, if I click send, it turns on. Okay, so like with turning it on, you can also turn it off as well, using doing the same thing. So I'm gonna go to sub gigahertz. I'm gonna go to saved because I already saved the off feature. Scroll down. You can click turn it on like this, emulate, and then it turns on. And then go to my off, and it turns off. So fortunately, the Flipper Zero does also have its limitations. For example, with newer cars, you won't be able to copy a signal from the car key and use it to unlock or lock your own car. So basically what happens is each car fob has something called a rolling code, which when it's transmitting data, each time you press a button, it changes the data it transmits. So if you try to copy the data on your Flipper Zero, you won't be able to use that same piece of data to unlock your car.
Although the Flipper Zero has its uses and capabilities with the sub-gigahertz radio, it also has its boundaries. You shouldn't use it for unethical things, such as on things you don't own or things you don't have permission to use. In addition to that, the Flipper Zero sub-gigahertz radio also has limitations. You can't use it on things that are greater than 1 gigahertz. Also, in modern things such as the car keys that we saw, they have rolling code, which kind of prevents the whole Flipper Zero from working in the first place. If you enjoyed this video and you like cybersecurity in general, consider subscribing. It really helps us out. I'll see you in the next one.
See you.